You are going to love the 2018 ILX. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, power brakes, ambient lighting, braking assist. Inside you'll find electronic messaging assistance with read function, trip computer, child safety locks, multifunction display, power steering, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, 2 cargo area light. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.